Just making a quick video of my new setup. Got the cyclic right here, Dynamo light hooked down to the Dynamo hub. Hope Pro 4 wheels feel pretty quick. I think it's pretty quick. It feels like the engagement is better. Cyclic rear. Not much, just trying to get a little exercise. What I did was I got the light and I hooked it up. The switch is right here on the tip of this arrow bar because there's too much, stuff in the way right here. This is for the Apple iPhone. This is just for when I'm inside. I can hang like my phone or whatever. But yeah, the battery's dead on this thing, or it's gonna run out, so that's it. And then this light, it kind of got jacked up, so I put it like a little, not sure if you can see, but like a paper clip. But either way, not much today. Just trying to get a little suntan. Gonna head back home and then try to do Zwift or something later. Alright, see ya. Or